Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. I am Siti Maria binti Md.Iliyas, your lecturer for ELC231, Integrated Language Skills 3 this semester. Welcome back to UiTM and welcome to the new semester. So in this video, I will explain to you the assessments for the course ELC231. Let's start. Okay, as you can see, in general, there are 4 important assessments for ELC231. The first one is essay writing, it's for 20%. Second one is evaluative commentary for 30%. The third one is mid-semester test for 25%. And last but not least, you have oral commentary for 25%. Okay, so you can see that the marks are all from the ongoing assessments and there is no final exam for this subject. Okay, first of all, let's take a look at the first assessment. Okay, it is essay writing, which is for 20%. So this one would be an in-class assignment. Basically, we are going to do this during the class. Okay, basically you are going to write an essay between 250 to 300 words. So it consists of 4 to 5 paragraphs. And the time given is 1 hour and 30 minutes for you to complete the assessment. Okay, so this is going to be your first assessment and this is going to be on week 6. So you can mark your calendar because this is going to be one of the weeks that you will be a bit busy with not only ELC231 assessments but also other assessments from other subjects as well. Okay, when it comes to essay writing, so usually you will be given a topic and you are going to write down an essay related to the topic. For example, like benefits of cashless shopping, or maybe benefits of traveling, or maybe how taking a part-time job improve a student and something like that. Okay, so basically it's an essay, expository essay. There are 4 to 5 paragraphs altogether. There should be between 250 to 300 words and you are going to do this in 1 hour and 30 minutes in week 6. Okay? Okay, now let's move on to the second assessment, which is evaluative commentary. So you can see that this is 30% of your total marks. Alright, so what is an evaluative commentary? Basically, you are going to comment on an article that you choose, which is argumentative in nature. And you are going to do this in pair. So you can look for a partner, someone among your classmates that you can work well with. Alright, so the evaluative commentary should be between 500 to 600 words, probably quite a lot, but don't worry, this is an ongoing work. Okay, you are given 7 weeks to complete the work, so you are going to submit it in week 14. So remember, because you have a longer duration of time given for you to complete the job, it's good for you to do it well. Okay, do not do things last minute. Okay, you should always work together with your partner and work closely with me. Refer if you have any confusion or anything that you like to inquire. For example, probably you have a few topics or a few articles that you want to choose. You have to check it with me first whether or not the articles are suitable, because if you do it last minute, for example, it's already week 13 or week 12, and then you suddenly want to choose one article which is not actually suitable, you are going to be in trouble. So remember, because you are given a longer time period for you to complete this task, make sure that you work on it well. Okay, don't do things last minute. So remember, it's due in week 14. It's a long way to go. It's the end of the semester, but I think it's good for us to start preparing from now on. So probably the first step would be for you to choose someone that you can work together for this particular task. Okay? Okay, now let's take a look at the third assessment of ELC231. Okay, so we have mid-semester test for 25%. So basically, this is a reading test, and I know that you are familiar with reading tests from ELC121 as well as ELC151 in the previous semesters. So this is another reading comprehension test for you to complete as part of your assessment. There will be 10 questions, and in general, the questions would be of a higher order thinking skills, where there are opinion-based questions and questions that require you to really understand the text and try to decipher the inputs and meaning of the facts given in the reading text. Okay, so the duration of the mid-semester test is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and this will be in week 10, right? So don't worry, there will be samples of questions that you can refer to later on, and it will be available in our learning management system. Okay? Alright, last but not least, we have another assessment which is oral commentary for 25%. Okay, since ELC is an integrated language skills course, other than writing skill and reading skills, which are tested in evaluative commentary, essay writing, as well as mid-sem test, you are also going to be tested on another language skills, which is speaking. Okay, during the previous semesters, for ELC 121, you did your speaking test in pair, whereas you work with your partner. And last semester, for ELC 151, you did it with your group mates, where you have 3 or 4 of you in a group. But this time around, for ELC231, you are going to do it individually. But don't worry, this is going to be fun. And this is basically my favorite part of the semester, and I hope that you will enjoy it as much as I do. This is going to be based on an English movie or TV program that you like. I bet that you have watched a lot of English movies, English TV programs, and I bet that you will be excited to talk about the interesting TV series or TV program as well as the movies that you have watched. Okay, this is going to be on week 11 and 12, and you are going to do the presentation between 5 to 7 minutes. I know that you have a lot of things going on in your mind, thinking about what movie should I talk about, which TV program should I explain and present about. It doesn't matter as long as it is English. Okay, basically you are going to present it, and you are going to also prepare a slide presentation for this, as you are going to present while presenting the slide. So from now on, you can think about which one of the English TV program or English movies that you have watched before that you would like to choose from for your presentation. Okay? Okay, everyone. So basically, those are the assessments that you are going to complete for ELC 231 Integrated Language Skills 3. Okay? So all in all, it might be a bit different from ELC 121 and 151, but don't worry, I am here to help you to get through this together. Okay, so as we know, for this semester, we are going to do things in ODL, online and open distance learning. It might be quite challenging for us to get through this, but we have done this in the previous semester, and hopefully we are going to get it done well this semester as well. If you have any problems, if there is any inquiries, you can always contact me via my phone number or my email. Okay, so I think that's all for now. I will see you when I see you, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.